Hello everyone. The subject is Basic Electronics. Module 3 in Basic Electronics deals with the operational amplifier applications. In this video we shall see how op-amp can be configured as an inverting amplifier. This is the circuit diagram of a inverting amplifier. This is called as an inverting amplifier circuit because the phase difference between the applied input voltage and the resulting output voltage V0 will be equal to 180 degrees. Here the input voltage Vi is applied to the inverting terminal of the op-amp through the input resistance Ri. The current through this input resistance is abbreviated as II. II is the input current. The feedback is provided through the feedback resistance abbreviated as RF. The current through this feedback resistance is the feedback current abbreviated as IF. These are the two power supplies required for the op-amp to work. The output is taken at this point. Now we shall see how to derive the expression for the output voltage and the gain with feedback, that is AVF equals V0 by Vi. In order to derive the output voltage expression and the gain expression, we assume that the op-amp is an ideal one. That is, the difference voltage Vd equal to 0. That is, the voltage at the inverting terminal of the op-amp equals the voltage at the non-inverting terminal of the op-amp. The second is, the op-amp input terminals do not draw any current. Since the input impedance of an ideal op-amp is infinity, the current will be equal to 0. That is, these input terminals of the op-amp do not draw any current. Now we shall derive the expression for the output voltage and the gain with feedback. For that, we apply KCL at this node A, Kirchhoff's current law at node A. The Kirchhoff's current law states that the current entering the node II equals the current leaving the node, that is IF. So it is IA equals IF. Now we shall write the expression for IA and IF in terms of the voltage and the resistance. So IA is nothing but the potential difference by the resistance. The potential difference is nothing but this potential minus the potential at this point. The potential at this point is Vi. The potential at this point is same as the potential that is there on the non-inverting input terminal, that is 0. So here the potential is 0. Therefore, the potential on this terminal at this point is also 0. So IA is Vi minus 0 by Ri. Vi minus 0 by Ri. Next, we shall write the expression for IF in terms of the voltage and resistance. So IF is nothing but the potential at this point. The potential at this point is 0 minus the potential at this point is V0. So it is 0 minus V0 by RF. 0 minus V0 by RF. So this can be written as, this equation can be written as Vi by Ri equals 0 minus V0 is minus V0 by RF. So this is rewritten. This V0 is taken to the left hand side and this Ri is taken to the right hand side. And then if you take the reciprocal for that, you get this expression V0 by Vi equals minus RF by Ri. So V0 by Vi is nothing but the voltage gain with feedback. Here, this minus sign represents that there exists a phase difference between the input voltage and the output voltage. And the phase difference will be 180 degrees. Because of that reason, this circuit diagram is called as the inverting amplifier circuit diagram. The second application is the non-inverting amplifier. So here the input voltage Vi is connected to the non-inverting terminal of the op amp. The inverting terminal of the op amp is grounded through the input resistance Ri. The feedback is provided through the feedback resistance Rf. These are the two power supplies that are required for the op amp to work. Ia is the input current, If is nothing but the feedback current. The output voltage is taken at this point. The name non-inverting amplifier is because there will be no phase difference between the applied input voltage and the resulting output. That means the phase difference between the input voltage and the output voltage is 0 degrees. Next, we shall see how to derive the expression for the output voltage V0 and the gain. To do that, we assume this op amp as an ideal one. That is, the difference voltage Vd equals 0. That is, the voltage at the non-inverting terminal equals the voltage at the inverting terminal. So on this input terminal, the voltage is Vi. Therefore, the voltage at this point should also be Vi. Then only this difference voltage will be equal to 0. And the second assumption is the op amp input terminals do not draw any current, because the input impedance of an ideal op amp is infinity. If the impedance is infinity, the current will be equal to 0. I equals V by Z, V by infinity is 0. With this assumption, we shall apply KCL at this node A and derive the expression for the gain. If we apply KCL at this node A, we get Ia equals If. That is, the current entering the node equals current leaving the node. Ia equals If. Now we shall write Ii in terms of V and R. So what is this Ii? Ii is nothing but potential difference by resistance. Potential difference is nothing but the potential at this point minus the potential at this point. The potential at this point is 0 because it is connected to the ground. The potential at this point is same as this potential. So the potential difference is 0 minus Vi by Ri. 0 minus Vi by Ri equals If. If is nothing but this potential minus this potential divided by this resistance. That is Vi minus V0 divided by Rf. So this expression can be written as 0 minus Vi is minus Vi by Ri equals Vi minus V0 by Rf. So this Rf is taken to the left hand side and this Vi is taken to the right hand side. Therefore, this expression can be written as minus Rf by Ri equals Vi minus V0 divided by Vi. So this equation can be written as minus Rf by Ri equals, this can be split and written as Vi by Vi minus V0 by Vi. So Vi by Vi is 1. That is written here, minus V0 by Vi. Next, this 1 is taken to the left hand side. So it is written as minus 1 minus Rf by Ri equals minus V0 by Vi. So next, this can be written as minus is factored out here. If we factor it out, here it is 1 plus Rf by Ri equals minus V0 by Vi. So this minus and minus will vanish. Therefore, we get V0 by Vi equals 1 plus Rf by Ri. So this is the expression for the voltage gain with feedback. So the expression for output voltage can be written from this equation, how V0 equals 1 plus Rf by Ri into Vi, if you take this to the right hand side. In this expression, you can see there's no negative sign. That means there is no phase inversion. There is no phase difference of 180 degrees between the input voltage and the output voltage. So that's why this circuit is called as a non-inverting amplifier circuit.